Systems are stable. The hydration levels are optimal for the morning cycle.
The batch looks promising, but I want to double check on the nitrate levels before we trigger the mechanized harvesting.
Sorting is at 99% accuracy. Minor surface defects are being diverted to the secondary line.
Batch 42 is ready for cold storage. Sending the dispatch signal now.
From greenhouse to shelf in record time. Another perfect cycle.
Retail presentation is perfect. Let's head back to review the next harvest cycle data.
The nutrient mix in tank 3 is slightly off balance. I'll recalibrate the drip emitters manually.
Ensure the flow rate doesn't exceed 2 liters per hour. We need to maintain the leaf tension. Quality standards met. This batch is authorized for immediate transport.
Batch 42 is logged and secured. Temperature is holding at a steady 4 degrees.
I recommend increasing the potassium ratio for the west block to boost the fruit firmness.
Agreed. Proceed with the adjustment. I will monitor the bricks levels during the next sample collection.
All lines are synchronized. We are ready for the second harvest intake.
Morning diagnostics are clear. The optical sorting units handled the peak load without a single error.
Another efficient cycle complete. Tomorrow we start again at sunrise.
Inventory levels are reconciled. Batch 42 is confirmed for morning distribution.
The efficiency rating is up by 5%. The new irrigation calibration is clearly working.
Cleanliness standards are impeccable. Reset the air knives for the 04 o'clock intake.
The presentation is consistent with our brand values. You have done excellent work with the climate syncing today.
It
It is hard to believe this all started as a single data point on a projection. The scale of it is remarkable.
Tomorrow's harvest is already growing. Sleep well, Supervisor.
Morning cycle initiation. Status: all systems green.
The overnight bricks levels are perfect. We can begin the primary harvest 10 minutes early today. Processing line 1 is active. Bring in the first load from block A.
Dimension compliance is within 0.5 millimeters. Maintain this speed.
First pallet is cleared for retail. The autonomous forklift is en route for pickup.
The transit window was under 30 minutes. Our shelf life projections remain on track.
I am running a manual check on the pH balance. We cannot rely solely on the sensors for the midday cycle. The optical sorting is flagging minor curvature issues in block B. Adjust the sensitivity by 2%. Storage optimization is complete. We have space for the evening harvest intake. We are ahead of schedule. At this rate, the evening distribution will be our largest this week.
Harvest density is peaking. The evening yield is going to exceed our morning batch.
The humidity is climbing slightly. I recommend opening the north shading screens by 10%.
Calibration complete. The system is now optimized for the high volume evening flow. Palletizing is holding steady at 40 units per minute. We are on track for the night dispatch.
The presentation is perfect. The evening batch will be the first thing customers see tomorrow morning.
Quality and efficiency targets both met. Excellent work today, operator.
System wake-up sequence initiated. Checking overnight growth metrics.
The overnight nitrate absorption is slightly higher than projected. We need to adjust the mid-morning fertigation mix accordingly.
Setting the spectral sensitivity to 450 nanometers. This should catch any minor skin abrasions.
The seal integrity is perfect. We are ready to scale up the throughput.
First pallet for retail is officially cleared. The autonomous forklift is moving into position.
Slotting confirmed. Temperature sensors in Sector 7 are reporting a steady 4 degrees.
The shelf life stability looks excellent. Retail presentation is consistent with the morning audit.
Data is synchronized. Our carbon footprint per unit is at a record low for this harvest cycle.
Excellent.
Another perfect cycle. Let's prep for the morning sunrise shift. Sleep well, operator.